I want to show you the most beautiful keyboard, actually two keyboards, that I ever saw. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev, and today I want to show you the real example of beauty. So it's less about some super innovative technologies in a mechanical keyboard world, but these two keyboards are really piece of art. And I'm talking about two keyboards. It is the same model, but two versions of the same model. So today I want to show you MU01, and this is a Akko mechanical gaming keyboard. I have two versions today. One is Mountain Seclusion and another one is Autumn. The first one with Akko Rosewood linear switch, right? And the second one is TTC Demon linear mechanical switch. It's a technically same model, but from practical point of view, it's a different switches, different keycaps, and I want to show you today these two keyboards in details. So let's start from the most beautiful. It's based on my personal opinion. You can decide otherwise, but let's start from the Mountain Seclusion, right? So this is a 65% mechanical keyboard with 68 keys, and this is a solid wood keyboard case, right? It's pretty rare that you have the real natural materials, right? Like a metal or aluminum. In this case we have a wooden case, and this is a great. And guys even add wax, right, to the kit, so you can maintain this case with the time, so it will shine on your desk like pretty long. So this keyboard supports, which is like again great, three-way of connection. You can use Bluetooth, wireless or wired type of connection. On the keyboard itself you have only USB Type-C on the back side, and you have a hidden switch under the caps lock to switch in like between different modes. And also inside this small keyboard you have a 4000 mAh battery, which is more than enough for this size of the keyboard. So one of the main sales point of this keyboard is a keycap set, right? Because this is a special keycap set. You have a more profile, right? And this is DYE sub PBT keycaps, and they're pretty beautiful. They're really beautiful. Just check this out. Almost each keycaps, or not almost, each keycap is unique, with unique picture or some legends on it, right? So if you're looking for something really unique, starting from the case and finishing with the keycaps, this could be your choice. Together with both keyboard you will have a pretty interesting switch puller, nothing crazy but better than standard one. You will have a standard keycap puller, you will have a 2.4 dongle, right? And with like different version of the keyboard you will have different four spare switches, right? Or even 5, because maybe I already disassembled one of them. And you will have this wax, some piece of cloth and user manual, and USB-A, USB-C cable. So under the keycaps you will have, for the version which is Mountain Seclusion, right, you will have Akko Rosewood linear switch with operation force 40 plus minus 5 ground force, with total travel of 4 millimeters and with a pre-travel of 2 millimeters, right, which is pretty standard, but you will hear the sound test of both of this keyboard, but especially of this Mountain one, and you will understand why I'm so excited. So from the RGB point of view, we have pretty bright RGB, and you can change the colors and all of that even in applications, so you can add even more custom touch to this keyboard, right? This keyboard supports like all operational system, Windows or Mac, all of that, right? And if we are talking about structure of this keyboard, like, I will be fair with you, I was not able to disassemble this keyboard. I don't want to damage it, right? So That's why I decided not to, enforce this. But from the structure point of view, we have 5 layers of noise reduction system. And like, apart from the regular forms, it also comes with additional PET layer and 3mm case poron, right? And all of this brings so beautiful sound that you will not believe in it, but I will show you in a second. Let's switch to the second version of the same keyboard, right? Technically, it's absolutely the same keyboard, but you have TTC Demon linear switch, right, with operational force 50 gram, which is like 10 gram more, so they're a little bit more strong, right, with a strong pushback. Pre-travel time is the same, 2 millimeters, right? And you have also more PBT keycaps, but in this case it's a more like a coffee style, black and brown keycaps, right? So it's a different style than this mountain one. And also, from the structure point of view, we have IXP foam, which is adds this choke sound, and also you will be able to see the difference, or rather you will be able to hear the difference between these more light switches and between these more strong switches. Okay guys, now it's time to do a sound test and you will hear this beauty, right? I will start with mountain version and then I will switch to the autumn one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this review and I'm sure you enjoy the sound of this keyboard. If you're looking for something really unique to add to your, home collection of mechanical keyboards, this definitely could be your choice. If you're looking for the other keyboards from Akko brand or other keyboards in general, just check this video on my channel, and thank you for watching and see you next time.